Through the window, I see you waiting. You are smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
Hi everyone, I am Jess Wolstenholme and welcome to Grace for Moms. I am here in the beautiful kitchen of my beautiful friend Joanne Kraft. Say hi, Joanne.
Hello,
Welcome
everybody.
To Grace for Moms.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Joanne is just an amazing friend and encouragement to me, and so she and I recently have cooked up this fun, party.
I'm excited we're sharing it
promotion.
finally. We've kept it quiet for a while.
We have. We've been dreaming about this for a while. We've been gathering some friends. We'll tell you about that in a second. And basically, we are going to have this 3-week promotion / party surrounding Mother's Day at Grace for Moms. And so for those 3 weeks, we are going to introduce you to some really amazing women who have a heart for moms. And we are going to celebrate the mom that you are. Because at Grace for Moms, our heart is to help you embrace who God's made you as a mom. There's a lot of messages out there telling you have to do it a certain way.
Right.
And we're not about that. We're about you really hearing from the Lord on what He is saying for you and your new unique kids and your unique family. And so Joanne recently released a book called The Mean Mom's Guide to Raising Great Kids. And don't let the title fool you. This woman oozes grace, and she is such an example to me. And so why don't you tell us a little bit about your heart and your book? And
Well, I appreciate that, Jessica. I have her fooled, I guess, really well. But, The Mean Mom's Guide to Raising Great Kids, it came to light for me when I was working as a police dispatcher. And lots of parents, you'd be surprised how many parents dial 911 for just basic parenting advice and wisdom. And what was fascinating about that is that a lot of times it was that wisdom that we know we can just ask for and God gives it to us. And at Grace for Moms, why I appreciate and respect their ministry so much is no matter where you are in your parenting journey. I know, Jessica, how old are your kids?
mine are almost 7 and almost 4.
And
So
they're grammar school, preschool age. And my kids are junior high to grown up. I have 4 children from the ages of 14 to 23.
So much wisdom
And
here. I'm totally going to be speed dial for
Hard
the
knocks.
next 20 years.
Hard knocks. But I'll tell you, I think the biggest thing is with not only the Mean Mom's Guide and us being marshmallow moms, you in that phase right now.
I'm totally a marshmallow mom.
Right.
Total pushover.
And I think the big thing about this is, is that we have gathered moms that each one is going to have, no matter where you are in your journey, whether you're preschool mom, grammar school, brand new baby mom, maybe even just thinking about being a mom. Maybe your kids are grown. We're going to have something or somebody for you that we pray ministers to you. And that's what's invaluable about this 3-week awesome party. Tell us a little more of the gifts and things.
So we've gathered these women, and these are like, sisters. They're just, we want to come together as a sisterhood of moms that, that basically celebrates motherhood and all the uniqueness that brings. I mean, God created us all so uniquely. And so why shouldn't we mother differently? Why do we feel we have to do it the same way? And so these women are going to encourage you through just various insight and lessons. And like Joanne said, we have something for everyone along every step of the journey, from thinking about becoming a mom to empty nesters. And we just want to celebrate all of us together and what we can be to each other and how we can encourage one another. So we are going to have these guests, and we hope you'll join us for the next 3 weeks, and just read what they have to say and be encouraged and be inspired. And then at the end of the 3 weeks, we're going to have a big Facebook party on Tuesday night, May 12th, and we are going to give away our grand prize, which will be a bundle of all these books. There will be
Lots of
12
gifts.
plus books.
Lots of gifts.
Plus a cash prize, which our pot's it keeps growing.
It's growing.
It's going to be significant. And the only requirement is that you spend that money on you.
I love that
The
requirement.
books help you, right?
Yeah.
Be a better mom, maybe, you know.
Or give a gift away.
Or gifts you can give to fellow moms
Mm-hmm.
if they're not in that stage. But the money is for you.
Because what would you do if you received a cash prize, Jessica?
I mean, I'd probably do a spa day. Maybe buy a new outfit.
a new outfit. What is that all about? I would love that. I mean, because I think as a mom, the only time you buy a new outfit is when you're going to a wedding. Or something like that. But I think that's what's awesome about this. We want to celebrate you during the month that Mother's Day falls on. And I don't know about you, Jessica, but I try to convince my husband that Mother's Day is all year long. But
Every day is Mother's Day.
exactly, exactly.
But we get one day. I'm thankful for that.
But to
That's
have,
all.
but to get us all together, I think it's going to be great. And I hope you can share this with your tribe of people, whoever that is, your neighbors, your friends. And let's make this something memorable. And most of all, and we're praying for this, that you'd be encouraged.
Yes, absolutely. We are praying for you now. We may not have ever met you, but we pray for you always, our team, and we just hope that you'll join us. Our big thing is sharing grace. We share grace at Grace for Moms, and so this is a way for you, through resources, through blog posts, through just encouraging words, that you can share grace as you celebrate the mom you are, celebrate the mom your best friend is, no matter how different or how similar she is, celebrate the mom your mom was, the mom you hope to be someday as God helps you grow. So thank you for being a part of this community, and we really look forward to a super fun
I can't wait.
parade.
We'll see you there.
Through the window, I see you waiting. You were smiling.